Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos as I upload my new videos every Monday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Okay guys, so as from the title you must be knowing that today I'll be showing you guys different look or styling your t-shirt in different ways. So I'll use this same t-shirt and style it in different ways and show you guys. So it's amazing, and if you're wondering where this t-shirt is from, this is from Shein. I'll put the link in the description box. I have showed this in my previous haul also. So yeah, that's all. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so the first thing is this normal t-shirt. T-shirt from front section and from behind, keep it open. It gives a different look to your t-shirt and your attire. Since it shows your figure from front section and hides your belly fat, if you're not okay for tying a knot, what you can do is take a rubber band and then tie that on that section of your t-shirt and put that thing in inward direction. It will literally give a different look. You can do that same thing on above section. Take a section of your t-shirt, tie it with a rubber band and then put that thing inside. See, it's looking different and amazing. You can do this thing on both the sections, above section and below section. It will literally change the look of your t-shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to see my further videos and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe.